2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight.
Red and green and brown and blue.
They're a really useful crew, all with different roles to play, out in the sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends. Thomas, he's the cheeky one.
James is vain but lots of fun.
Percy calls the mail on time. Gordon thunders down the line. Emily really knows the stuff.
Henry toots and huffs and puffs. Edward
Wants to help and share.
Toby,
Well, let's say he's square. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight.
red and green and brown and blue.
They're a really useful crew, all with different roles to play, round in the sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends.